Good morning, all the students of third standard. Yesterday, I told you about the earth, and in that chapter first, the shape of the earth. Unit 1 Earth, in that chapter first, shape of the earth. So, here I told you that Ferdinand Magellan he proved that our earth surface is not flat. People they believe that if uh, if they were going by walking at the end of the earth, means one side of the earth, then they will fall down. So it was wrong. This was proved by Portuguese person Ferdinand Magellan. Up to here I told. Now what is the next one there? About 500 500 22 years ago, Magellan and his crew sailed into the one direction without turning back. Ferdinand Magellan, Portuguese sailor, that means in the year 1522, year 1522, 20 to 22 years. That means from now, if you see that more than 520 years ago or back, this Portuguese sailor sailed in a sea with his crew, with his friend, companion, those who were on the ship or on the boat, those who were their necessary staff or the persons to look after the ship or to sail the ship into the sea. They were called as a crew. So with them he sailed in a sea there or into the ocean in one direction without turning back. Straight he sailed there without turning or moving, going in any direction there. After 3 years, they turned to the same place from where they had started. After 3 years, when after the nearby 2 to 3 years time spent, that after 3 years they turned back. They came on their original place from where they started their journey, from where they started to sail in a sea there. This proved that Earth was indeed round in shape. This proved that our Earth was round in shape. That if we stand on a hill or the seashore and look far ahead, the earth and the sky seems to meet along a line. That if we are standing, or even then also if you stand on our roof or on our terrace, then what is there at that time? What is that? Mostly we'll see that at the end, when we have to how much long we can see, that much long if you see, then we can see that there at the end our earth and the sky both they meet to each other. That this we feel that. So this imaginary line is called as a horizon. So where they meet, that line is called as a horizon. It is imaginary line and that line is called as a horizon. That next one, progress in science has helped man to travel in space. With the help of science and technology, man started to travel, to go in a space. With the help of the rocket, they traveled in a space there. The photographs taken by the astronauts from the space clearly shows the round shape of the earth. When our astronaut, when they reached in space, from there they took some shots, some photograph there. That photograph shows that our earth is round shape. From the space they took the photo. Astronaut, one who go in a space, to that person we can call as a astronaut. Scientist, one who go in space, to them we can call as an astronaut. So they took some photos there. When we look at the night sky, notice millions of the stars twinkle. That in the sky, if you see at night, and if we notice, then we can see number of, there are no innumerable number of the stars are there. They are twinkling, like in our home that light is there in front of the God, how it is twinkle that, like same way stars are also there in the sky, they twinkle. That this is the universe where there are millions of the stars and planets are there. That is the universe, and there are number of the stars are there, or many planets are there in the space or in our galaxy. That the sun is also a star among this, in this solar system. Sun is also one star. It is the biggest star in our solar system. That it is at the center of our universe. So sun, this is a big star, that it is like a burning ball, that, and it is at the center in our solar system. That there are 8 planets that revolve around the sun, that, and sun is at the central place of the position, and around the sun there are 8 planets are there. All these 8 planets, they revolve around the sun, that while revolving around itself they revolve around the sun also, that in this way our solar system is there. In our solar system, sun is the biggest star, that, and it is this star give light to the other planets. Our earth is also receive light from the sun. The sun and the 8 planets from the solar system, this solar system is part of the universe. So sun and the other 8 planets are there in our solar system, that they are the part of our universe. Sun and other 8 planets are there. So which are there? Mercury is there, Venus is there, Mars is there, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus, Neptune. Like you see, these are the planets are there. The name of these planets are in order of their direction, distance from the sun. Who is the most closest to the sun? Their position is the first one. Who is a little bit farthest, means on the secondary position. Who will again little bit farther, their third position. Who is the most farthest, last, their position is at the last, like incident. So what is that? Remaining part we will take tomorrow. Today you write this one.